In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steamvr Not Opening. If Steamvr refuses to launch or keeps stalling on startup, follow along as we work through a clear, reliable sequence that solves the most common causes. We'll start with quick resets and move toward fixing corrupted files and trying the beta build, all without adding unnecessary complexity. First, restart Steamvr itself. If you can see the Steamvr window, use the menu at the top left and choose the option to quit or exit Steamvr, then open it again. If Steamvr is frozen or hidden, use Task Manager to close it. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, find any Steamvr-related processes, and end them. Then try launching Steamvr once more. If it's still stubborn, give your PC a full reboot. A restart clears stock background processes and driver hooks that can silently block VR from opening. Let the machine shut down and come back up fully before trying Steamvr again. Next, launch Steam with administrator privileges. This helps when Steamvr needs elevated access to drivers or system folders. Right-click your Steam shortcut or executable, select Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK, then open Steam. When prompted by Windows, confirm. After Steam opens as admin, try launching Steamvr. If that doesn't do it, verify Steamvr's tool files to fix corruption or missing components. In Steam, go to your library and change the filter to Tools so you can see Steamvr. Right-click Steamvr, choose Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Tool Files. Let the scan finish. Steam will re-download anything it needs. When it's done, launch Steamvr again to test. Finally, try opting into the Steamvr beta. This can deliver newer fixes that haven't reached the stable branch yet. With Steamvr still selected in your tools list, open Properties, go to the Betas tab, and choose Beta Steamvr Beta Update. Steam will download the beta build. When the update completes, restart Steam or just relaunch Steamvr to apply the change. You can always switch back later the same way if you prefer the stable version. Work through these steps in order, taking a moment between each to test. In most cases, one of these actions resolves startup issues quickly and safely. Thanks for watching.